Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marilyn. So, like usual, product review for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video, and please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not. And also, please don't forget to check out and follow Arum Beauty on Instagram page as well. So, for today's product is from Pittoresco Cosmetics, which is Camellia Cleansing Balm. So here is the packaging. Just look at the texture. It is so creamy and it's just like jelly to me. The color is like soft pink or pastel pink, which is my favorite color, of course, pink. And I will scoop it up in this amount and I will put it on my face and my hands too. So here is the look after I wash my face. To me, it works really great because to me it is too creamy and oily, which is good to remove any makeup residue on your face. The great thing about this is it can remove my waterproof mascara as well.
Swear to God, you beautiful. Yeah.